If you remember, we did 263 like this. A person in an, even 264 we have done. In an astronomical telescope in normal adjustment means distance between objective and eyepiece is FO plus FP. There is one mark. Dark straight line of length L is drawn in objective and its real image is obtained by eyepiece of height I. Then magnification of telescope is. So we said this is behaving like object. This is the lens which is giving image. So our object distance is left hand side F4 plus FP. Focal length is of eyepiece FP and V we don't know. So 1 upon F is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. 1 upon FE is 1 upon V minus of 1 upon minus F4 plus FP. So this will become plus 1 upon F is 1 upon FP minus F4 plus FP, which will be F4 plus FP minus FP upon FE into F4 plus FE. This FP will get cancelled. Hello? Oh. ओके तो हो जाएगा फिर उसे। अच्छा ठीक है, आपने मेरा मेल में भेजा है क्या? ओके ठीक है, देख के आपको कॉल बैक करूँगा। So this will become then 1 upon V is F4 upon FP into F4 plus FP. Then we can get, can I clear the diagram wala part?
Yes.
Left hand side clear कर देता हूँ। So V will become FE upon F4 plus FP divided by F4. V upon U is called linear magnification. That will be FP upon F4 plus FE upon F4 divided by F4 plus FE. This will get cancelled. So M equals to FE upon FO. This is nothing but height of image upon height of object. V upon U. V upon U equals to FE upon FO. But magnification is FO upon FE for telescope, correct?
Yes, sir.
Which will become nothing but FO is object L by I. Is the answer.
Done, sir.
Then 24 also I think we have done. 264 we have done.
286.
Now directly 286.
Yes.
266, 267, 269, 270, 72. You want 86. 264. 286 is assertion and reasoning wala. And before that, all you all got?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Microscope magnifies the image. That one, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Microscope magnifies the image. Correct. No, microscope will magnify the image. So that is correct. Second wala reason. Angular amplification for image is more than object in microscope. That means angle made by image is more than that of object. Object बड़ा दिखता है तो बराबर ही है ना, वो भी reason. So both are correct. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Both are correct. Then 287.
Yes.
Should I solve 287?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A telescope has an objective lens of focal length 200 centimeter and eyepiece of 2 centimeter. If this telescope is used to see 50-meter tall building, 50-meter tall building at distance of 2 kilometer, what will be the height of image formed by objective lens? Height of image formed by objective lens we want. Not the eyepiece, the objective lens. Object is height of object 50, distance of object 2 kilometer. That will become minus of 2 into 10 raised to 3 meter. We want to find VO. Height of image चाहिए ना. See. 1 upon focal length is 1 upon V naught minus 1 upon U naught for objective. So 1 upon 200 centimeter, that is 2 meter, equals to 1 upon V naught minus 1 upon, if I write this in centimeter, then U naught will be minus of 2 into 10 raised to 5 centimeter. So 1 upon V naught will be 1 upon 200 plus comes here minus 1 upon 2 into 10 raised to 5. So 1 upon V naught LCM will be 2 into 10 raised to 5. 10 raised to 3000 will go up 2 into 2000 minus 1. That will become V naught is 2 into 10 raised to 5 upon 999. Please copy till this.
Done, sir.
One minute, huh? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. 1 minute. V naught we got 299, 999, 2 into 10 raised to 5 upon 999. What is magnification formula of objective? V naught upon U naught?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is 2 into 10 raised to 5 upon 999 divided by minus 2 into 10 raised to 5. This will get cancelled. So 1 upon 999. So magnitude will become 1 upon 999. Therefore, size of object is same as height of image upon height of object. Size of image we want. So it will be 1 upon 999 into 50 into 10 raised to 2 centimeter. So this will be nearly 5 centimeter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Next with some
298.
298. Camera lens has aperture of f and exposure time is 1 by 298 ना और 297
298.
एक फॉर्मूला आपको याद रखना है. टाइम ऑफ एक्सपोजर इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू स्क्वायर ऑफ फोकल लेंथ. Aperture time if aperture becomes 1.45. First time is 1 by 60. When it is f. Time of exposure is f square. So T1 upon T2 will be f1 upon f2 square. So first is given 1 by 60. T2 is f1f upon 1.4f the whole square. Therefore, T2 will become 1.4 square upon 60. That will come T equals to 1.4 into 1.4 upon 60. 14 into 15 into 4 is 60. 1.4. So 0.7. This is 30. 2 into 3. 2 into 0.7. So this will become 0.98 upon 31. So 1 upon 31 approximately. D option. $299.
No, sir.
300.
No, sir.
1 and
Done,
2.
sir.
300, 1 and 2, 302. No? No, na?
No, sir.
No.
Oh, okay. I'm sending one paper you have to do right now. Wait a second. Just see first sum. Can you manage? Part 2 वाला ही है सब. First one. Did you get that paper? नारायणा का है वो. A point charge is kept outside. मिला?
Yes, sir.
A point charge is kept at center of metallic insulated spherical shell. Metallic insulated shell का center पे there is charge plus Q. Point charge. Then electric field outside the sphere is 0. Electric field outside is 0. Electric field inside is 0. Net induced charge on the sphere is 0. Field outside cannot be 0 because इसका field इधर रहेगा. Plus will give induction here minus q, here plus q. What will be net induced charge then? 0?
Yes.
This is the answer, third one. Net induced charge is 0. Second. This is important sum. Generally हम लोग को लगता है field 0 है. While consider a charge configuration and the Gaussian surface as shown in the figure, when calculating flux of the field over the spherical surface, electric field will be due to what? Electric field is always taken due to all the charges, okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Electric field is due to all the charge, flux is due to inside charge. Now try third, fourth, fifth, sixth. I'm waiting for you. Done. Third, fourth, fifth.
Yes, sir.
What you got third answer?
Fourth one.
Others also got same?
Yes, sir.
What formula you have used?
T is equal to root of 2mh upon E.
What equals to?
Root of 2 into m into s.
मतलब you have started s equal to half at square, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but charge E upon m into t square, correct? This only, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And answer you are telling you are getting fourth. ठीक है. Fourth one.
So D, 8/9.
8/9. Two charges of magnitude 10 and 20 are kept. 10 and 20 are at certain distance. Then they are touched and separated together. So this will be 15 and 15. Now both are brought in contact. Initial and final force you want. So initial F1 upon F2 is Q1 upon Q2, Q1 dash upon Q2 dash. That means 10 into 20 upon 15 into 15. This is 5 into 3, 5 into 2, 5 into 4, 5 into 3, 8/9. Correct. Fourth option. Correct. Fifth one.
Fourth option.
Okay. Fourth. Correct. Barabar. Sixth wala.
4.
How much? Which one?
4.
Fourth. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 4.
A spherical droplet having potential is obtained as a result of merging 125 droplets. Find the potential of concern. Okay. So V of large is n raised to 2/3 V of small. This concept?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Try seventh. Seventh one. Trying or did? Hello. Is the answer fourth one? For seventh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Eighth. Which one you are doing?
8.
Eighth one.
Eighth one. Okay. ठीक है. Yes, anybody got the answer? Eighth one, anybody got? Hello?
Two C.
Yes, it is balanced network. C and C का series C/2, C/2 उसका parallel C, फिर C का parallel 2C. Perfect. Shall I explain again, or you have understood this? Others have got the answer?
Sir, can you explain?
This diagram followed conversion.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you have followed this, then it is all are CC, na?
Yes, sir.
This we can remove, no? Then. So C का series C/2. Lower part C का series C/2. फिर इसके बीच में C कनेक्टेड है ना? तो ये दोनों आपस में पैरेलल C/2 का पैरेलल कितना? C. और ऊपर एक पैरेलल है, तो नेट हो जाएगा 2C. C इक्विवेलेंट 2C. Try 9th, 10th.
Sir, can you do 9th?
9th I'm doing. Anybody got 9th answer?
No.
No, sir.
Look, 9th. A parallel plate capacitor is charged to 60 microcoulomb. Due to radioactive source, the plate loses charge at the rate of dq by dt is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb per second. The magnitude of displacement current. Displacement current will be how much? dq by dt is given 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 6. Then displacement current will be how much? What is electric flux का formula?
Into
Pardon?
electric field into area.
Electric flux is electric field into area. Okay, बराबर है. और दूसरा?
Q by E naught.
Q by epsilon naught ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So either of this से we'll get answer. dq by dt दिया है हम लोग को. Displacement current चाहिए. A parallel plate capacitor is charged to 60 microcoulomb, and then Due to radioactive source, the plate loses charge. Okay. क्या रेट से बोला है? 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 6. 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 8 they have given. Then what is the formula for displacement current? What is formula for displacement current? Same, rate of dq by dt. This is the formula. तो वही आंसर आ गया 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb per second. Hello? Displacement current means when charge
Yes,
is
sir.
getting discharged. तो important है, formula अगर नहीं मालूम होगा तो time लग जाएगा. So displacement current is nothing but dq by dt. Now you got, na, I think. Try 10th. Tenth one got 10.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer of 10?
Option 3.
Yes. चलो एक नया सम मिल गया आपको 9th वाला. Eleventh got?
Option 1.
Option 1. I think it is correct. How you started?
So I found capacity when K is 3 and when K is 2. And then Q square upon 2C.
See, it is charged to potential V and isolated. So when battery is removed, then charge will remain constant, na?
Yes, sir.
Charge is constant, isolated. Then formula will become energy wala half Q square by C use karo aap. So after and before, ratio is after and before we want, na? So it will be C before and C after. C before is how much? With dielectric 3, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So before is 3, that means 3C, and after 2, 2C. 3 by 2 should be the answer. Hello?
Yes, sir.
When dielectric of 3 is substituted, that means it is 3 times air wala, na? And when 2, then 2 times air wala. Hello?
Yes, sir.
And it is inversely proportional, therefore 3 by 2. Try 12. 12th got? Hello? 12th you all got? 12? Yes, 12th you are getting? 12.
So second one.
Ah, correct, correct. Second is correct. This all I have done earlier. They should not be new for you. I have done these sums except this one or two sums. Thirteenth got? 13th?
Option 3.
Option 3, yes. Alternate plates are joined together. Then it behaves like n minus 1 condenser in series. Beautiful. Option 3, correct. What is common potential formula? C1 V1 plus C2 V2 upon C1 plus C2. How many completed? Hello, how many completed?
15 is third.
15th you are getting third. Anybody else got 15 third?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The 16th is also third.
16th also third. Okay. Anybody who is not getting, please ask her. Seventeenth is the answer 3. Third one. Yes, 17th is the answer 6 volt.
Yes, sir.
6 वोल्ट आया आपको?
Yes.
कैसे? पहले टोटल कैपेसिटी निकालना है. That is 2 into 3 product upon sum. 6 upon 5, 1.2. Total voltage is 16 minus 6, that is 10. The charge is CS into V total, 1.2 into 10, that is 12. So potential difference will be charge upon capacity, 12 upon 2, 6 volt. This entire sheet you will solve today. This is your homework.